Boom, hey internets, I designed a capsule or a collection for a company called Volo Sports. Now Volo is in 8+ markets here in the United States, and it's like an adult league that has multiple different categories of sports that you can get involved in, and it's interlinked with the community and it benefits youth so that youth can play sports as well and get involved. And in this video I'm going to show you what I designed and put together. Currently they have items and swag and merch that they use for their thousands of players and athletes that are inside of the program, and they have hundreds of people that are either volunteers and or employees of the company. And so I just put together something a little bit more design based, a little bit maybe streetwear based, some cool designs rather than just athletic functional items that they already have on the roster. And so watch me and my thought process making this and putting it all together and the final result. Hey, I'm Jon Phenom. If you're new here, I am the clothing brand mentor. I've been working professionally in fashion since 2000. That's a long time. I started in a small skate company in San Diego where I was an apparel designer, moved up to senior men's designer, and then creative director. The last company, I ran the entire brand. It was a small company doing about 4 million a year, and I've been on the internet for over 10 years helping you guys with best practice so you can launch your clothing brand. Okay, cool. So Volo Sports, let's talk about it. Volo is an amazing organization, super fun, anything from dodgeball to basketball. Go on their website, you can see all the different sports that they list and that you could be a part of. They're in 8 markets and growing. So Baltimore, DC, Jersey, NY, Boston, Denver, San Francisco, and my home city of San Diego. That's right. I got on a call with my boy Keith Cunningham. I've known Keith from way back. He is indeed the homie. And as a senior director for Volo, he's helped grow and work with other companies to spread the word and grow the company in general.
I'm sending this today to a couple of our athletes. You've got Volo Pass Dad hat, just came out. Little champ headband, good for San Francisco people. We actually have Volo scarves, not a lot of those left. We've got these dope reversible basketball jerseys. These are sick. And then I just got 1, 2, 3 of our actual league shirts. But again, this is a box that we're sending like a couple new athletes we just brought on, and we wanted to show you the contents.
Now, the powers that be at Volo don't actually know that I'm doing this, so I think Keith is gonna receive the items and the garments and basically just show the other directors or the powers that be at Volo. So once I put together a pretty tight collection, I felt like that's a little bit exploratory in terms of some looks or directions we can go. Obviously, I made all the items, and so I think the strongest presentation is actually making the garments rather than sending them some sort of deck presentation. So I'm excited to send this off to Keith and see how he reacts.
Yo, I just pulled this stuff out of package that my boy Jon Phenom just sent me. So dope. Check this one out. Dope. Check this one out. Staff shirt. Also dope. Little feedback on some of it, but I mean, quick and dirty. College style. Clean. Yeah, dude. These are hot for sure. And then the hat. Come on, dude. The hat right on. Right? The little deal right there. The little branding on the back. Yeah, I was pumped when I just opened this right now. Good job, dude.
So that went well, I think, but I don't take a lot of freelance or contracted work on because I'm very busy with this channel and with NONBETA. But Keith is the homie, like I've known him for years, and I love what Volo's doing. So if you're interested in maybe joining an adult sports league, you should jump on volosports.com, or also follow them on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.